may have given false testimony under oath on prior occasions. Is there really any reason for this committee to believe your testimony before this committee, and especially on the issue of whether you did or did not give final approval at the Key Biscayne meeting to the Liddy plan, whether or not you had any knowledge about the President's knowledge of the cover-up or the participation in the cover-up, or whether you took any active part in the payoffs or cover-up of the Watergate case or any other part of the White House horrors.
Mr. Dash, I disagree, of course, with your interpretation of those matters that you've just read. As far as the determinations of this committee, I think they can judge their testimony, my testimony, and make their own conclusions after my appearance here for 4 days or 3.5 days, whatever it is.
Well, I think that's true, Mr. Mitchell.
And anything else I would say would be self-serving.
Well, I think that's true. And actually, if one were to take your testimony on the various parts, which would include what you have had to say about the Key Biscayne meeting and what you've had to say about the raising of funds to pay off the defendants and some other parts, that in order to believe your testimony, we would have to disbelieve Mr. Magruder, Mr. Sloan, Mr. McCord, Mr. Reasoner, Mr. Stans, and in some respects, Mr. Dean.
I disagree violently on the list of the people that you've talked about. Well, and I would suggest that you wait until the rest of the witnesses that you're going to have appear, and they will be testifying under these same subject matters.